Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Skullcandy earbuds and you need to resync the left and right earbuds together. If they get out of sync, what can happen is basically you'll only get sound out of one ear, the left ear or the right ear, or sometimes, you'll get them on and they'll be actually two totally separate devices. So your phone will try to pair with, either one. You'll have to pair them with two different things. It's a whole mess. So if we want to, what we can do is we can put them both back into syncing mode. So what we want to do is first of all, we want to get them disconnected from everything, because if they're connected to anything, this isn't going to work. So go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off on whatever you have them connected to, or you could have them connected to, and then make sure you've got a decent charge. Take them out of the case, make sure they're on. And when they're on, you're just going to simultaneously come in and do a triple tap, 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 tap on the back of both earbuds. And that will put them into syncing mode, and then they'll go through a series of pulses of lights as they resync, and from there they will be resynced. Now, if this doesn't work, or if you're still having issues, you might want to try a factory reset, but you might also be here because you've tried a factory reset and it didn't actually get them resynced. So anyways, let me know if this helped, or let me know if you have any questions about anything, and if it did help, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.